little artists! Welcome back to my channel! Today we're drawing the sparkling Glinda from Wicked 2. Grab your pencil, get comfy, and let's jump right in!
That's right. Olaf.
We start with the eyes. That's where all her magic shines. Draw the left eye first, with a gentle upward curve for the upper eyelid, like a tiny smiling moon. Add another soft curved line below it for the lower eyelid. Darken the upper lash line just a little, like adding eyeliner. Draw the circle of her iris and place two tiny white highlights inside, so her eye sparkles with life. Glinda should always sparkle. Now to the right eye. Draw another curved line for the upper lid, then a softer curve below for the lower lid. Add the iris, add the white shining dots. Sisters, not twins, they don't need to be perfectly identical. Now, give her a small nose with one gentle curve. Draw a happy, smiling mouth, slightly open like she's about to sing. Add her eyebrows, soft curved strokes. You may lift one a bit higher if you want her expression to feel playful. Outline her face by curving from the left around to the right. Smooth, elegant, kind. Add two little circular earrings, shiny and round. Next, we sketch her hairline. Start with an upside-down curved shape centered on the top of her forehead. Then, draw flowing curved lines outward to both temples, smooth like gentle waves. Close the top of her head with a curved line, and her hair base is complete. Draw her neck with two short lines, and then her shoulders. Add her neckline, a soft V shape, smooth and elegant. For her torso, draw an S-shaped line down the left side, then mirror it on the right. Both curves taper inward toward the waist, then meet with a light curved line. Glinda now has her lovely silhouette. For her sleeves, draw upward curves from the shoulders, then down again in soft, wavy puffs. Repeat for the other side. Big, airy, cloud-like sleeves. Now her crown, small looping shapes, like tiny pearls stacked gently in layers on her head. Time for the skirt. From the waist, draw one sweeping curve down to the left, then one to the right. Connect the bottom shapes with gentle waves, a full, dreamy gown spreading wide. It's so big she could probably hide a unicorn under it. Draw her left hand now, fingers softly spread. Then draw the right arm holding her wand. Sketch the wand shaft first. Then a bright pointed star at the top, like frozen fireworks. Step back and smile. The line art is complete. Now coloring begins. Color her skin a light cream shade. Add blush in pink or orange for warm, rosy cheeks. Color her lips in red, bright, confident, charming. Her earrings should glow golden yellow like tiny suns. Next, color her hair golden blonde. The dress is magical blue. Use soft blue for the sleeves and pale blue again for the crown. Color the wand purple or soft pink. Add lighter yellow highlights at the top and deeper gold tones underneath, especially near the neck. Fun fact time! Though Glinda is known as the Good Witch, she's not just perfect and sweet. She's dramatic, funny, sparkly, sometimes a little chaotic, but always full of heart. In Wicked 2, her choices shape the destiny of Oz and show that kindness can be powerful, even brighter than magic. And we're finished! Look at your Glinda, sparkling, glowing, beautifully drawn. Thank you for drawing with me today. I'm proud of you. See you next time for more magic and more art. The hair behind her back can be darker near the roots, fading lighter outward like sunlight in waves. Add dark blue curves on the bodice, alternating with pink and light pink stripes for a radiant pattern. Highlight the sleeves with gentle, bright strokes, like moonlight touching fabric. Now, blend the skirt using dark blue, light blue, and small touches of pink. Add flowing white strokes across it, like strands of magic dancing in the wind.